Let's talk Gemini, Google's next-gen AI built right into the workspace tools you already use. It's not just a chatbot, it's a smart assistant woven into Docs, Gmail, and more, designed to boost your productivity without a steep learning curve. Gemini understands context, not just commands. It can read a long email thread, pull out action items, and help you draft a reply. No copy-pasting required. The goal? Cut through information overload and let you focus on what matters. Instead of adapting to clunky tools, Gemini adapts to you, learning your workflow, preferences, and anticipating your needs. It's about reclaiming your time, letting AI handle the digital busywork. This isn't a minor update, it's a shift in how software works for you. For years, we've worked around our tools. Now the tools work around us. The potential is huge, and we're just at the beginning. Gemini is subtle now, but it's set to change everything about how we work. So, what does Gemini actually do? Here's how it upgrades your daily apps. Need a summary of a 30-page doc or a long email thread? Just ask. Gemini gives you the highlights and action items instantly. Creating forms is easier. Describe what you need and Gemini drafts the questions for you. No more jumping between Gmail, Drive, and Calendar. Gemini connects your apps so you can find files and attach them to emails without leaving your inbox. It's like a universal remote for your workspace. Email suggestions are smarter too. Gemini can draft detailed replies and spot tasks in your messages, turning your inbox into an actionable to-do list. It even suggests reminders or creates tasks automatically. The result? Less busy work, more focus. Gemini keeps you in the zone, minimizing distractions. Your apps feel connected, intuitive, and way more helpful. That's the Gemini difference. But how does Gemini help real people? Let's look at a few examples. Teachers can generate quizzes from lesson docs and draft personalized feedback for students in seconds. Marketers can brainstorm campaign ideas, write ad copy, and summarize analytics, all with a prompt. Managers get meeting summaries, action items, and follow-up emails, keeping teams organized and on track. Entrepreneurs can draft business plans, create pitch decks, and manage schedules. Gemini handles the admin so they can focus on growth. Whether you're teaching, marketing, managing, or building a business, Gemini acts as your creative partner and productivity booster. It takes care of the repetitive stuff so you can do the work that matters. The impact? Faster workflows, better communication, and more time for big ideas. Gemini isn't just smart, it's practical. That's how AI should work. What powers Gemini? It's a family of large language models, supercharged versions of the tech behind Google Search and Translate. Trained on massive datasets, Gemini understands language, context, and intent, generating content that feels human. It learns from your feedback, adapting to your style and needs over time. The more you use it, the more helpful it gets. Privacy is key. Your workspace data isn't used to train global models, and your conversations stay private to you and your organization. Google's security keeps your info safe, just like with other enterprise services. You control your data review, delete, or manage Gemini activity as needed. Processing happens securely in the cloud, not on public servers. The trade-off? Powerful assistance, backed by robust protections. With Gemini, you get smart help without sacrificing privacy. Gemini isn't perfect. It can still misunderstand or make mistakes, so always double-check its work, but Google's improving it fast better. Reasoning, deeper app integration, and more multimodal abilities are on the way. Imagine AI that can create charts from your data or optimize your calendar with a voice command. Updates will keep coming, making Gemini smarter and more seamless. The vision? An AI that helps with any task in any format across all your apps. The best way to see its power and its limits is to try it yourself. Test it on your real work, share feedback, and help shape what comes next. Gemini is one of the most practical AI tools out there. It's an exciting time for productivity, and this is just the start.